Something interesting is happening right now. People over 50 are quietly realizing something about money, and it's not something that people like to talk about openly. But once you notice it, you start to see it everywhere. So if you're over 40, 50, even 60, there's a good chance that you've had this realization too. If you're new here, my name is Kim, 53 years old. And recently something happened that forced me to rethink everything I believed about financial security. I got laid off from my job. This is the second layoff in the last 10 years. Now, layoffs happen all the time, but what surprised me about the layoff itself is what I started to notice afterwards, because suddenly I started to see a pattern. And the pattern was people our age were starting to think about money differently. And before we continue, I want to ask you something honestly. Have you noticed that your perspective about money has changed as you've gotten older? Comment yes if you think it has, because I'm curious what people are feeling. How do you feel about retirement? Do you feel like we were taught, our parents' generation, like they taught us what we should do, but Gen Xers seem to have a different perspective? But unfortunately, we don't realize this until later in life. So if you are over 40 and you want to learn how people are building a backup income stream online, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see the blueprint that allowed me to make an additional $40 to $100 while working a full-time job, check out the link in the description below. Now let's talk about what many people over 50 are realizing. One paycheck is not security. For most of our lives, we believe something simple. If we work hard, our job will provide security. But many people are starting to realize that jobs can disappear just like that. Companies restructure, industries change, and suddenly, relying on one paycheck doesn't feel as safe as it used to. Now, let me know in the comments, do you currently have one income stream or multiple? Because I'm curious, how many people already have additional income sources? Maybe you have a full-time job and a part-time job. Now, realization number 2, retirement just looks different for us. When we were younger, retirement seemed like a clear destination. Work until your 60s, then you can relax, and then you can travel, hang out with the grandkids, right? But when people started to actually do the math, things started to feel uncertain. And that uncertainty makes people rethink their financial strategy. Now, if you've been watching this video up until this point, you know you did everything right. You worked hard, you showed up, you sacrificed weekends away from your family for your job, and you tried to save what you could. But the financial world has changed. And Gen X is feeling that change more than any other generation. But here's the interesting part. Because when people start to realize this, they begin to look for alternatives. Not risky investments, of course not lottery tickets, although every once in a while it's fun. But people just need additional income streams in order to retire at a decent age. And that's what many people our age are discovering. And it's actually pretty surprising. They discover that people our age are building an income online. Not just influencers, not just young entrepreneurs, regular people, most of them over 40, over 50, 60, even 70. We have someone in our community that is 70 years old building an income stream and never have done this before in their life. All because she decided to learn how to sell digital products. And people are learning these skills on how to use social media to attract customers, building businesses from their phones. You don't have to bug your friends and family. You don't have to cold call people or cold DM people. People find you. It's just like you're watching this video because YouTube recommended it to you because they thought that you might be interested in it. And it works the same way. I didn't have to contact you first. But the part that really surprised me, and once I started to pay attention to this, I realized that some people have been doing this for years. So while I was entirely focused on that one paycheck that I thought I would have until I retired, and I had a thought that a lot of people probably had, and that is, what if I started to learn something like this in my 40s? How would my life be different? And let me ask you, if you could build an additional income stream from your around your full-time job, around your busy family schedule, would that interest you? Comment yes or no in the comments, because I'm curious how many people are actually thinking about this. And this is where something called the blueprint comes in. And the blueprint is simply a step-by-step system that teaches people how to build an online income using digital products and social media. And I know that probably sounds daunting, right? But I promise it's simple. But here's the thing that a lot of people miss is they try to do this on their own and they waste months, if not years, trying to piece everything together. But when you have a system that lays out a plan for you, all you have to do is follow the step-by-step training that tells you what to do, tells you how to sell on social media. So instead of trying to figure out everything on your own, the process is already mapped out for you step by step. And this is what helped me understand how this all works. And it's no different. This is what I love. If you've ever had a first day at a job, it's no different than that. Because when you first walked in your job for the first time, you knew absolutely nothing. But after a couple weeks, after a couple months, you started to build up your skills for that job. This is no different. And I know it probably sounds a little bit intimidating, starting your own business, starting online. But I promise you, this is the simplest business I've been able to find in the last 20 years that I've been looking. Because everything is done for you. The hard part is done for you. All you have to do is apply the skills and pick your favorite social media platform and post content. That's it. And we show you how to do this. You have training, mentorship. And a lot of people just assume that younger people have the advantage. But the truth is so incredibly different because there's such a need in the Gen X space. There are more Gen Xers than ever trying to create that additional income stream without having to get that second job. So if this video has resonated with you, I want you to do two things. First, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to share everything that I'm learning about additional income streams, making money online. And second, if you want to see exactly how this blueprint works, how it's laid out, check out the link in the description below. And remember this, the way that we are thinking about money after 50 is changing. And sometimes the biggest opportunities appear when we start to ask new questions. Now, if you want to learn more, YouTube is recommending this video up here. Give that a watch and don't forget to get the blueprint below. And I'll see you on the next video.